This is my first Honeygain review. In this video, you will learn how to make money with Honeygain. You can see if you join using my link, it is below the description of this video. This website will give you $5 instantly for free. So ensure you use the link below the description of this video to take this advantage. It's not going to be there for a long time. All you need to do is to click register. Look at it. As soon as you click register, it's going to give you this $5. You click continue. You can see as soon as I sign up, it has credited me with $5. As soon as you get to $20, you are going to cash out the money. So all you need to do, start earning in 3 steps. You download the Honeygain app to your device, install and open the app, then you let it run on the background. Then if you have PC, you download the apps, it will start running. It is on iOS and on every devices. You can use it on your tablet. A friend of mine is currently making over $15 every day with this platform. I'll be explaining the tricks and the logics he's using in my other videos about Honeygain. So ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and you'll be able to know whenever I publish my new videos. It is very important for you to know that this method of making money can only earn you an extra income and not a full-time income, but you'll be able to earn extra cash with your various devices like your phone, tablet, or computer system. This app and platform is a secret money making one because a lot of people, including myself, have underestimated its ability to make them money. But when you think about the power of sharing your affiliate link and the long-term commission you will earn, as I'll be explaining in this video, you will then be serious about marketing and using this app. This website will pay you for utilizing your device resources and your internet bandwidth. This website is legitimate. Look at it. This is Trustpilot. Out of over 10,000 reviews, they have 4.5 over 5. Look at it. Easy way to earn passive income. Earn without compromising your security. Know exactly what your internet is used for. So this is how to calculate how much money you can make. You can estimate your earnings. Your earnings directly depends on the amount of traffic. The more traffic you share, the more money you earn. If you have like over 5 gig traffic for almost 4 hours, you will be able to make an extra income of $55. If your traffic is like 8 gig, and if you enable your daily content delivery, you can be making this kind of money every month doing nothing. All you need to do is to download the app, sign on, and be using your phone. It will be good if you have an unlimited access to internet. You can download and sign on up to 10 devices, and that will skyrocket your earnings and help you make more money. This is how it works. You set it up, you let Honeygain runs on your devices, you let it gather, and you get paid. How do you get paid and what is the payout limit? You get paid through PayPal or cryptos. That is, you use Jump token. Then the cash out limit is $20. So as soon as your money reaches $20, you cash out. You can see this is my profile page for Honeygain. As your devices is running, you'll be seeing the amount of credit you are earning. This credit will be converted to dollars. You can see this 2,000 credit, this is $2, and 1,000 credit is equal to $1. So that is how it works. There are so many tips and tricks that I'm going to take you through on my subsequent video. So ensure you subscribe to this channel so that you can know when those videos comes out. Look at it. This website will earn you money passively if you can start referring people. For everybody you invite on this platform using your link, you can see get 500 Honeygain credit by inviting your friends. So all you need to do is to invite your friends with your link. Your friends has to join Honeygain and gather at least 12 gigabytes. You get a reward of 500 Honeygain. All you need to do is to click this link and you share it everywhere. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be telling you how you can use Ask JOFA forum to write article about this Honeygain and share the link on social media platform. When people click here, they join. Your friend will get $5 starter gift. This is what make this thing passive income. You can still get your referral link in this place. If you are active on the platform, you can win $10 daily. You can see that I currently have 2,700 plus credits, which amount to $2.07 plus. If I click this lucky pot, look at it, open lucky pot. It gave me additional 10 credits. Congratulations, credit added to your account. It has increased my credit by 10 points. So if you are active on this platform, you have opportunity to earn this kind of credit on a daily basis. So you not only rely on what your device and bandwidth can get for you. So you enjoy 10% boost. That is, if you enable the jump task mode to get bonus credit effortlessly. So these are things that you can use that we later discuss on my subsequent videos. Yes, Honeygain will help you to earn passive income, but you can earn more passive income if you become an affiliate marketer, which is what I do. So kindly consider trying out my free affiliate marketing training. Just go to askjofa.com and you can use my forum, Ask Jofa Forum, to promote Honeygain just by using your link. And you write article, you use your link, then you share it on Facebook and everywhere. I will still be talking more about how you can do that can make Honeygain a real passive income for you using different platforms like forums. So ensure you take advantage of Ask Jofa Forum. Thank you so much for watching this video.